Welcome to our tutorial on updating the Discord app on your Android device. Keeping your Discord app updated ensures you have access to the latest features and improvements. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. This is where you can manage all your app updates and downloads seamlessly. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. By accessing your profile, you can navigate to various settings within the Play Store. Now, select Manage Apps and Device from the menu options. This section allows you to organize and update all the apps installed on your device efficiently. Scroll down to find the section labeled Updates Available. Here, you'll see a list of apps that have updates waiting to be installed. Look specifically for Discord in this list. Once you've located Discord, simply tap on the Update button next to it. The Play Store will initiate the download and installation process for the latest version of the Discord app. Updating your Discord app is crucial for ensuring smooth communication and access to new features. Stay connected with your friends and communities by keeping your app up to date. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to enjoy the best Discord experience on your Android device. Thank you for tuning in, and happy chatting.